AMC stock, along with all other assets, cryptocurrency down, stock market in general down, a lot of stocks across the board. My portfolio was red, my watch list was red today. I'm sure you guys were seeing a lot of blood in the markets, and it could be caused by a couple different reasons. We will discuss those reasons. We're going to discuss the reasons why stocks might be pulling back, crypto might be pulling back, and we also need to touch on the put options that were taken out on AMC stock yesterday, because I don't think it has a lot to do with AMC specifically pulling back because of anything fundamental-wise or anything going on with shorts or anything like that. I think it has a lot to do with the technical analysis and why AMC is trading the way it is right now. So we'll discuss that. And of course, guys, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. A $100 deposit is going to get you at least 2 free stocks, so make sure to check that out. And then if you trade cryptocurrency as well, you can get $5 in the crypto of your choice just for going ahead and making any $1 crypto trade. So let's talk about why we may have seen stocks pull back. Anytime we've got anything in general going on with the Federal Reserve, you could see stocks pull back. You could see stocks increase in value. Now, we saw that Jerome Powell is going to be serving another term as chairman of the Federal Reserve. The market, currency market seemed to be reacting very nicely. The dollar seemed to be reacting very nicely to this announcement. The stock market may be pulling back because we're seeing a rise in the dollar, and it also may be pulling back because investors are a little uneasy with this other term for Jerome Powell. Now, it's very difficult. Let me just tell you that. It's very difficult to point to any specific reason as to why stocks are pulling back or moving higher in price. It all comes down to the fact that supply and demand, right? Supply is roughly remaining the same, so it all comes down to demand driving it. Why are less people buying or more people buying at any given time? So it's very difficult to pinpoint an exact reason, but we try to do it. You got reporters out there all day long. Their only job is to analyze markets and try to figure out why things are moving. That's what they're pointing to right now. And that's the only major thing that could be going on in the markets that would create such a market-wide pullback. So that's what we're going with at this point. That's why we're saying more people are pulling out. They might be going into some more secure assets at this time. But guys, the pullback in the general market should not affect your conviction in AMC stock whatsoever. Pullbacks like that happen. Now, I know a lot of people are on the theory that if the market crashes, if the overall market pulls back, AMC could squeeze. I don't subscribe to that theory. I think that the majority of the people buying AMC stock right now are not what we would call apes. And we can see this. We can see this in the technical analysis. Okay, if apes were the majority holders, if those of us out there that truly believe in a short squeeze were the only ones or the majority holders in AMC stock right now, we wouldn't see technical patterns like we do. Right now, AMC stock has been trading in a wedge since the June run-up, and it has been trading in this wedge to a T. Every time it hits the upper end of the wedge, it bounces lower. Every time it hits the bottom end of the wedge, it bounces higher. Now, this wedge is consolidating into the mid-December. I believe it's December 9th on my graph, but it's like the second week of December that we could see this wedge finally come to an end. So knowing that, if people are following the technical analysis, that means people are willing to buy and they're willing to sell. Those are day traders, swing traders, momentum traders, institutional investors who could be using technical analysis to determine when they enter and exit positions. If it were apes buy and hold, guys. Apes are here in AMC stock for a short squeeze and for a short squeeze only. We're not here for some technical analysis day trade where we can make 5% both directions and then call it an evening and have a good day. So knowing that that's what's going on, that the majority of the price fluctuations and movement in AMC are being determined and dictated by this technical analysis. We had some options open up on AMC stock yesterday that were very bearish. We had 30, I believe it was 35 or $37 million worth of puts opened up on AMC stock yesterday by a whale. We don't know if it was an individual investor. We don't know if it was an institutional investor. But you know where they bought? Right at the top of that wedge. They bought as soon as AMC stock bounced off that level of resistance. Excellent timing to open up a put option if you are a technical trader. I'm not a technical trader on AMC stock. I am here in AMC. I have not sold a single share of my AMC since I bought them. That's how much I believe in the AMC stock short squeeze. I am not trading it, but there are people that are trading it right now. Now, we did see it pull back very nicely. I'm sure that person is up. I didn't actually go out and look at the numbers. I should have gone out and looked at the numbers on those put options. I'm sure that person is making a lot of money right now. And I do not think that they bought those put options because of some massive pullback in AMC. I believe they bought those put options because it was perfectly timed with AMC bouncing off that resistance. So I think it's a technical play. They were out there leveraging. I don't know why you need to leverage $37 million, but they were out there leveraging $37 million, and it seems to be working out excellent for them right now. So congratulations to them. I like what they did with that, but I don't like the fact that they're playing AMC to the downside, and I don't like the fact that they're out there making money when AMC goes lower. However, it's their money. I can't tell them what to do with it. All I can do is hold my shares and hope for the short squeeze. Now, knowing that these things are going on, guys, when the AMC shorts go to cover, we just need to wait for all of the timing and everything to fall into place. We do have lower volume. That's excellent. We do have less volatility. That's excellent. We do have a price that is being sustained right now. We are not falling. We are not free falling. AMC might be boring to some people, but it is holding on to these gains in incredible fashion. So when all of the tumblers finally get into place, the AMC stock short squeeze can happen, it can take off, and it could happen at any time, guys. We just need everything to fall into place and come to where exactly it needs to be, and it is going to be incredible. I'm not selling anytime soon. Once the short squeeze starts, once the shorts go to cover and that price starts ticking higher like a stinking rocket, it is going to be amazing. I'm not going to be tempted until I see those numbers that I believe will absolutely change my life. And I hope you guys have the same mentality during the short squeeze. Now, if that, oh, no, not the button yet. Don't click the button yet. Make sure to let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are you still holding? And how far off do you think? Let's have some fun. How far off, because you guys ask me all day long, how far off do you think the AMC stock short squeeze is? Now, if that button's still red, click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance Gemini in the link or in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.